Okay, I thought I'd do a little unboxing. I have never done this before. And I just received a package from one of my favorite art suppliers, JOGGLES. And so I am going to take you with me as I take the packages out. This is always, to me, this is like Christmas. And Barb at JOGGLES, I mean, I was even noticing how neatly the paper was wrapped around the box. So here we go. I'm very excited to be getting these supplies because I am going to be starting the next tutorial series from Elizabeth St. Hilaire, and I needed supplies. I'm so glad they sent this paper. This is one of my favorite tissue papers. And I've actually used it in some of my art journaling before. This was a different color combination, though. So I might use that this week in some of my art. Yes, I'm one of those that painfully tears open the Christmas presents. You just have to bear with my OCD-ness. Okay, yay! Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is a stamp from Elizabeth St. Hilaire, who, those of you who know me know that I just so greatly admire her in so many levels, as an artist, as a creative talent, but as a human being also. So this is the heart one that she has. I just started using these distressed oxide sprays, and I tell you, I'm really liking them. So they're water reactive dye and pigment, so they kind of separate and create this duo tone finish. So this one is salvage patina, and I love working with metal type stuff, so we'll see how this works. The other thing was the stickles, and the stickles are going to be for the project with Elizabeth St. Hilaire's Patreon page, and it's a series of crows. And I love crows. I love ravens. I think crows are incredibly smart birds. Just the fact that they can use tools. So, and this image has like this background that's like sky, night sky. So this would be like the stuff for the stars and some of the bird feathers. You know how crows have that iridescent quality to them. So I love these. I've just started using them. I've never really been a glitter person, but this is not like there you can really see. This is not like regular glitter. It's in a real thick paste, so it doesn't get all over your place. Then these are these really cool things. They're cardboard, and I can use them to print with on the gel plate, but I can also cut them up and use them into the artwork. And that's what these are for. I just love them. The other thing I like is they're exactly the size of the plate. One of the things I liked about this one, I have ferns growing out in my backyard, and this is kind of like what their leaves are like. And then Elizabeth is retiring some of her stencils. So these were on sale, so I had to get some Elizabeth stencils. And I just love these. So these are good, kind of like generic ones for doing layers. And you know, it's nice to have like different layers, geometric and organic and stuff like that. So this is a nice addition to my stash of tools. And you know, money's really tight because I'm trying to renovate my old house. And so I'm actually limiting myself to a budget for art supplies. Oh my God, that's like, how can I do that? But I'm doing it, and it's probably good. It's a good discipline to have. So there you have it. Thank you.